lapse. Well, on this tablet it's called hyperlapse, but I call it time lapse. Say, as much as I'm not a fan of being on the roads in this type of weather, the snow on everything makes it look, yeah.
I love the trees when they have snow on them because it gets pretty.
It's like potholes. There ain't no potholes there, but you should get snow potholes.
Yep. Dang, I thought that dude was gonna fishtail it first. I don't blame him.
Usually when you got four-wheel drive engaged.
Oh yeah, I know. Yep. Almost 3 years back, actually. Well, you and my dad were, I think, in the UP, and then you had to drive all the way down. Well, first you picked me up, and then Dad picked Logan up, and it was around that. Yeah, it was, because I remember the beginning of 2019 you were there, and I remember one day, I don't remember if you were just getting out of work or were on some sort of break or were about to go to work. No, you were still there early 2019. Because I remember the one day Logan and I came and got Natalie because you were working, and then she didn't want to be home alone with Flip and Ethel. That dude's kind of, boy, that's tough luck. Yeah. Sometimes four-wheel drive doesn't always help you, especially if you're hauling a trailer like that. A buddy of mine, his he had the same thing going, except it wasn't hay. It was actually it might have been hay. I don't remember.
Wonder how those Texas Longhorns are like in the snow.
I've heard people say they do pretty good in the snow, and then I've heard other people say that they're not snow friendly.
Well, if they're born here, they adapt to it just like anything.
Oh yeah.
I wonder how much snow we have.
We got quite a bit. When I was shoveling earlier, especially when I was shoveling around your car, I swear, you know, the wall of snow that was next to it where I was shoveling, and it wasn't a pile either, because I threw the snow quite a ways when I was shoveling it, but that snow had to have been damn near over a foot, because
It was easy over 2 foot. Probably 2 foot. Maybe have more snow coming Sunday. 3 to 6 more inches.
yep.
This is because everybody was playing until they got their wish.
Yep. I mean, yeah, I was hoping and praying for some snow too, but I didn't think it was gonna. Yeah.
Even the UP's getting hit. It was all in Michigan.
Right.
You'll be okay. You're staying there for 2 days, okay? You really don't have to go for another week. I've seen cars go.
Oh man, this was a spot I went into a ditch that one time. Luckily, it was right here. I was lucky. Yeah, I was lucky enough to miss the mailboxes.
How much time have you been recording?
It's a little 7 minutes.
27?
No, I said. Oh, never
What
mind.
time was it then?
Come on,
5:45.
focus.
You're doing okay. I'm on.
I love that house.
I think so.
And cloud.
Yeah, that's usually how I do it.
Why did the main roads get much snow? Did they plow it?
Usually they plow them. Yeah, I heard about that.
Who'll be picking me up?
Needs to cut that shit out.